What are the documents you need to form your LLC in Texas? This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to start a business in Texas, the first official step is forming your LLC. That means preparing and filing the right documents. In this video, I'll walk you through the Texas LLC formation documents you need, what they do, and how to file everything easily using Busy, which is a platform that helps you create your LLC for free and handles the paperwork for you. This is perfect if you want to start a business in Texas without getting lost in government websites or confusing forms. So simply click the link in the description to visit busy.com where you can form your Texas LLC for free. Just pay the state filing fee and Busy takes care of the rest. When you use Busy to form your Texas LLC, they automatically generate and file every required document for you. So here's what they include. There is a certificate of formation. So this is the core document that legally creates your LLC in Texas. Busy fills this out and files it on your behalf with the Texas Secretary of State. So there is no need to download PDFs or log into government portals. Busy does it all behind the scenes. So, Texas requires every LLC to list a registered agent with a Texas address. With Busy, you get a free registered agent for the first year, which covers this requirement automatically. Busy would also ask you whether you want Busy to obtain your employer identification number. So, this is your business tax ID, which is issued by the IRS. You'll need it to open a business bank account, apply for credit, or use platforms like Stripe or PayPal. Busy handles the AIN application for you, even if you're not a US citizen or don't have a social security number. And starting in 2024, most new LLCs must file a BOI, which is Beneficial Ownership Information Report, with the FinCEN. If you wish to do that, I have included the link for the official BOI filing report website in the description as well. So instead of manually preparing and submitting each of these documents, Busy makes it simple. You get your Texas LLC formed for free, they file your certificate of formation, include a registered agent, and also EIN. So no legal guesswork, no delays, just a fast guided process that actually works. So if you're ready to file your Texas LLC documents the easy way, simply head over and click the link in the description to get started with Busy today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.